Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit right under the language we've got currently applied. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, and all you have to do is to basically find the language and tap on this plus icon next to it. Then your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one, so just tap on yes to confirm, and as you can see right now the new language is at the top of the list, and the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me go back. As you can see, they are right here also. If you've got more than one languages added here, so I've got Turkish and English, you can quickly change them just by tapping on the language you'd like to apply and confirming it just by tapping on this red option. And as you can see, we've got English applied. We can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.